What's up? What's up? What's up? We live, baby. Oh, we in here, y'all. What's up, y'all? Let's go. We trying to trade and get that money. Gotta get that money, man. Money, man. It's still the same now. Good morning. Good morning. Where y'all from? Hey, let me know if y'all can hear me good. Let me know. Hey, we're looking at USDJPY. So this was the gold trade that I called out. Let me get that back. This was the gold trade that I called out on last live yesterday. I called that out yesterday. Y'all gotta hop on these lives. Hop on these lives, I'm telling you. Pontiac, Michigan, let's go. Shout out to the mitten. Yeah, so this gold trade went crazy. I made like 20 some thousand on that one. But let's go over to I want to go over to USDJPY right quick. That boy is going crazy right now. Come on, let's go over to there. Bam. So listen, it's gonna take some patience. That boy just shot out like crazy, all right? James Watson, what's good, baby boy? You out there killing it? Derek Smart, shout out to Derek Smart from Detroit with the blue. What's up? You know we trying to get this paper. Hey, listen, we not on this live. We not on this live to be chasing money. I'ma say it again. We're not on this live to be chasing money. We're just positioning ourselves for it. All right, that's it. And if we make a little income today, we're going to do it. Let's go. But we're not about to chase this red candle. That's what we not going to do. They going to try to trap us. They going to try to trap us. Yeah, you know how they do it. That might be a whole wig fake out. Come on now, stop it. Look at this. Look how price rejected there every single time in the past. Every single time. Then you got the little head right here. It might come right back there again. Boom, we might get a bounce and buy the joint. You feel me? It all depends how I play out. That's why y'all need me here. Because I'm going to, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to do my best. I'm going to do my best. You feel me? I'm going to try to find the right timing on this joint. All right. So listen, shout out to everybody that's at work right now. Everybody that's going to work. You feel me? Fortunately, I'm able to trade. I've been doing this for 9 years for all the people that's new. I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. I put the work in. And I'm hoping that y'all can benefit from it. All right. I'm doing this. I did this for me and my family. And I'm about to share it with y'all. Now listen, look at this. Oh, you know what? Hold up. Hold up, y'all. I gotta turn. You know we gotta record. We forgot to hit record. Being a rookie, what are we doing? Mic check, mic check. Yeah, we in there now. Okay, we in there now. All right, hey, I'm doing this for all. If you're a beginner trader, ask me questions. This is why I'm on live for all my beginner traders. No. Now look, so this is what I'm thinking, right? since price was already coming down, like it's shooting down, right? I'm thinking, so that's an impulse move, right? Cool. Let us catch a pullback to about right back here. I want some, you see how I got red and green candles? The red candles are my selling candles and the green candles are my buying candles. All right. Those are my bulls. The red candles are, they call it the bears. It's a fight between the bulls and the bears for all my new people. Now listen, I want some of the bulls, the green candles, to shoot this candle back up to about up in this area. All right, right up in this area. Then when price get up there, I need to make a decision if I'm going to sell it back down. So we have to be able to make a decision, a really good decision on if that's going to, let me replay that. If when it pulls back up to this level, is it going to keep going through? Or is it going to stop there and keep going down? That is what y'all don't know y'all don't know how to do that. When it, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you could talk about it and all of that stuff, but it's like, it's harder when it's time to actually do it.
Are you recording on this?
Yeah. It's harder when it's actually time to do it. All right. You got to have confidence in everything. So let's see. What if I pull a Fibonacci from this high point? I'm pulling out a Fibonacci tool. That helps me gauge where price is going to pull back. Remember where I just told y'all I was gonna I wanted price to pull back here. Well, guess what, team? That aligns with the golden zone. What a coincidence. And that, see, this Fibonacci level got a bunch of lines on it, but right today I'm only concerned with the gold lines. Now this thing dropped hard, you feel me? So I don't know if it's going to come back. I don't know if it's going to come back. But one thing for sure, I'm not going to chase it where it's at. Like, for an example, look at this team. If I take an entry point right here, if I say, all right, everybody on this live right now, let's sell. Let's sell right now. Look at where the stop loss got to be. You got to put the stop loss up here. You feel me? The risk to reward is not there. And it's not even guaranteed that it's even finna go down here. It's probably going to be like something like right up in here probably. The stop loss is bigger than the take profit. So what I want us to do is let price come back to this gold area. And then we take a sell. That way our stop loss can be tighter. And look, I don't even have to go all the way down here to get no money. I could stop right. Look at this. If it works out, I could stop right where price turned around or made a little pivot. I could stop right there. Hey, shout out to Dallas, Texas. I don't know. Who is that? KJK. KJK is from Dallas. Let's go. How many people we got from Dallas? We can do a meetup. Y'all know I'm in Texas. We can do a meetup. We can do one time for the one time. See how it go. There's got to be enough people though. Shout out to T-Pat. T-Pat, what's good, baby? Zion said, congratulations to Elijah. Elijah on the new Toyota Prius. Come join the live yesterday. No, he couldn't join the live yesterday, so I watched the video. Yeah, I bought my son a new car yesterday. Okay, so somebody, watch the live from yesterday. I bought my son a new car. Now look, I ain't getting no Lamborghini now. He just starting to drive. Ain't no way I'm doing that. Delight from Nigeria. Shout out to the motherland. Now somebody said, low key, one of the best instructors in the game right here. Shout out to James Watson. If y'all don't know, now you do. That's my guy right there. Thank you, bro. And I really do appreciate you too. Moses from Canada. Let's go, baby. Look, we trying to get this money. So I'm about to, somebody said look at GJ. So I'm about to go look at GJ right quick. Let me look at GJ right quick. Talk to me. We got, you ate, what's up? You about to go to work? All right. Love you. All right. Let's see. Nah, GJ ain't ready. GJ, see, I thought GJ was gonna do something else. I thought GJ was gonna do something else, man. This is let me show y'all what GJ. This is what GJ doing. I had divergence up for GJ. I was ready. I thought GJ was gonna bounce up. Hey, thank you for liking the hat. Yes, sir. Hey, y'all, hey, double tap the screen as y'all coming in. Please let me know who's subscribing today. Let me know if you subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, I think you should. If you want to learn how to make this money. So look, I had GJ for divergence. You see what I'm saying? And it's still not too late. You see? Like, so let me tell you, like, a lot of new people is not going to get this. So look at this. This is a RSI, right? This is a RSI indicator. And do you see how the RSI is like going higher? It's going higher. So, but look at this. The indicator is going higher. But look at the market is going lower. The market is going lower. So we got a conflict. Remember, the indicator was going like this. It was going higher. That's called divergence. Right? See that? The indicator down there is going higher. So we got to be patient, though. We can't jump the gun on this. We might be able to get a bounce. I might be able to scalp a bounce, just like how it bounced right here. That was a bounce off the trend line. This was a bounce off the trend line. Now, this is a little bit riskier, though. I ain't gonna lie. Here's a bounce. Like, you got to time these perfectly. And the thing is, though, if you're going to do something like this, you can't just say, oh, let me buy it because it's at the bottom. We don't know where the bottom is. We don't know where the bottom is. You feel me? So we have to know, we have to be skillful enough to find where the bottom is going to be. So I think I need to show y'all that, right? So this is how I do it. So I'm gonna drag this Fibonacci from the top, and you see how the red candle shot down? I'm gonna drag it to the bottom. Now, I don't know if that's the bottom yet. But when it breaks this green line right here, if it breaks this green line right here, that's my 23.6. I'm buying it. And I'm gonna buy it. And I'm gonna buy it up to the gold lines. So I'm gonna go from the green. I'm gonna go from green to white, and I'm gonna be cautious after the white, because it might go up to the gold line or it might turn around. So what it look like is this. I need to wait. Boom. As soon as it break that green line, I take a bite and I buy it up to the gold line potentially. Definitely to the white line. And that's a scalp trade. And that'll be my daily income. That might be $1,000. That might be $2,000, depending on how much it goes. And that depends on how much money you got in your account. You feel me? Not everybody got 100,000, 200,000. You know, some people got $500, $1,000 in their account. So it might be, It might be, you know, $5 for you, $500 for the next person. It just depends on what you got in your account. Everybody got to risk differently and do their own thing. All right, you see how it's creeping up. So I don't know, you know what I mean? So we'll see. Let's look at because don't forget USDJPY. So look, if y'all want to know what I'm looking at, look in the watermark in the back of my screen. It says USD JPY. That's the US dollar and the Japanese yen. And that 30 means 30-minute chart. Every candle represents a 30-minute candle. Watch this. If I go to the hour chart, boom. Every candle represents an hour. This is for all my new people. So that way you're never lost. And I'm not going to keep explaining that every single time. So if I switch it and you see a 4, that means every candlestick is a 4-hour candle. I'm on a 4-hour chart. Matter of fact, since we're here, look at this. So we're in consolidation, team. This is a little bit of consolidation going on. I can see it happening right here. I can see it happening. So we got to be patient with this. See, this is already at the golden zone down here. See, that's already at the golden zone. So that might, let me see, let's go back to the hour chart. So let's see if this stops here. Now look, if this busts through this golden zone, now this is the 4-hour golden zone. Let me organize this for y'all. You got to stay organized if you're going to be a trader. Look, this is a 4H. That means 4-hour golden zone. That's the 4-hour. The other one is the hour. So if this red candle closes, we got 24 more minutes. If this red candle closes below this 4-hour golden zone, then I'm probably going to just take a sell there then. Like wait for a retest, but I'm going to probably take a sell there. If anything that I say is above your level of understanding, just ask it in the comments. Just ask me in the comments. So now we got to figure out which one is going to be worthwhile taking, y'all. My fault, I shook the camera. It's our job to figure out which one is the best one. Are we going to take UJ or GJ? Now this is, the reason why this one is pumping is because this is the New York session. That's why you're getting this big, because we just entered the New York session. So you got this big red candle. This might be a fake out. So I'm not in a rush to, to get into no trades. Wish you did NQ Mini. I blew 3 prop challenges. Javante Hall. That's tough, bro. That's tough. That's tough, my brother. I hate to hear that for you, man. We trading Forex and we not blowing no accounts. I haven't blew an account in years. But I ain't trying to tell you what to trade, but I am going to start doing futures next year. I'm not going to start at the end of the year. You feel me? Like, I'm not going to do that. I've been locked in making my money on Forex all year. And I had some slow moments and I had some big moments. Yesterday, I made about 23,000 on gold. So that was a big moment. But before that, I was just cruising. I was just cruising, making my little 3,000, making my little this, little that. And then boom, you keep showing up. I kept showing up. I kept waking up. I kept showing up. I kept marking up the charts. Boom. Saw gold in the right position, took advantage of it. Hey, Nate, yes, I have a group, yes, in Discord. It's in Discord. But look, I don't know how to post it. Hold on. Can I post it on here? Hide the chat, enter text for chat. Okay, yeah, I could post. All right, did y'all see it? Did I post it? Hey, hold on. I gotta get on here and look at these. I gotta get on here and look at these comments. Did y'all see me? Just let me see. Yeah, I posted it. Look at it. It's right up there. Now, what's the name, bro? I have been demoing for 3 months. No, look in the comments. Let me see. I think the comments is just YouTube. Hey, Nate, can you see the Discord link that I just put in the comments? I'm on this new software, bro, so I'm trying to figure this out. Nate, let me know if you see the I ain't doing no one-on-one. I'm not doing no more one-on-ones. If I do a one-on-one, it's just not worth it. Like, I ain't saying you're not worth it. I'm just saying like what I'm just gonna do one for you, because if I do one for you, I gotta do one for everybody. And then I be having, look, one-on-ones. I used to charge $100 an hour for one-on-ones. Like, you pay me $100, I answer all your questions. I will answer all your questions. So I do that. Guess what? If 8 people book me for a one-on-one, I'm sitting at a computer answering questions for 8 hours. For 8 hours. I'm like, no, I can't do that no more. I do not want to do that for 8 hours. And bro, as soon as I open it up, it might be 15 people. So I'm like, okay, well, if I'm going to sit here and do this, it's either I'm going to have to charge more, because I really don't want to do it. Like, I don't want to be tied down like that. Like, I don't want to feel like I'm working no job like that. So how can I? So I said, okay, if I'm gonna do one-on-one, hey, by the way, y'all, we looking at this 1 hour candle on USDJPY. We looking at this 1 hour candle. We gonna see how it closes. We got 18 minutes. We got 18 minutes. So I'm gonna talk to you for 18 minutes. No, and I ain't gonna talk to you for 18 minutes, but I'm gonna holler at you for a quick second. So we want to wait till that 1 hour, this 1 hour candle close. All right. So I was like, either I'm gonna charge more, or I'm going to see if I can open it up to help more people at once. And that's what I did. So I just opened it up for a group. Now, you might not like a group. Good morning. Good morning. You might not like a group session, but let me tell you, I help you for real though. Like, think about it like this. You wanna pay me $100 and something dollars. I ain't gonna even charge no 100, bro. I can't do that, bro. I gotta be like, if you going one-on-one and tie me down for that time, and then once I open it up, I'll open up for everybody, because I'm not gonna just open up for one person. I'm probably gonna have to do like 300. But I don't wanna do that. I don't wanna do that though. That's the thing. So what I did was I opened up the Discord and be like, all right, everybody can just get help at once. For $80. Like, you gonna go out to eat on Friday and go to the movies and go get a burger and then go get a milkshake and then go get some brownies. You're gonna go get some brownies, and then when you look at that bit, $80? I should have traded with Jay Wayne. I didn't spend this. I don't even like this food. I should have spent that with Jay Wayne and made some money through trading and doubled my money. Listen. So now you get $80. Boom. Now you got me for the whole month. You only wanted me for 1 hour. Now you got me for the whole month for less. Am I cheating myself? No, I'm not. What you said? Yeah? No, I'm not. Bro, I'm not cheating myself. My son gonna say, yes, you are. Bro, I'm not cheating myself, bro. Bro, you don't understand, bro. See, y'all are limited in your mindset. I thought I taught you better than that, fool. Bro, I thought I taught him better than that. Disrespecting me like that. Get my belt. So listen. Look. So now, So we still waiting. Oh, see, look at the candle. Look at this candle. Hey, put a thumbtack in that story time. Look at this. Look at that candle coming back into the golden zone. See, if it comes back into the golden zone, now we're gonna wait for the retest. And that's gonna give us a couple different more options. You feel me? That's gonna give us a couple more options. Cause see, we know, so like, look, so if this 1 hour candle closes in 15 minutes and it leaves us a wick, the next candle will probably come down to try to fill the wick and then pull back. And we're trying to make money off of that pullback. Cha-ching. So this stuff take patience, man. Like, do y'all got the patience for this? Like, a lot of y'all ain't got the patience for this. And see, I be knowing what to wait for, so patience is a little bit easier. But listen, I'm not like the best person with patience either sometimes. Some days I'm excellent with it, and some days I'm anxious. So I have to keep praying and stuff and keep my flesh in under control. Because I be wanting to get that quick money. When you can look up and be making 20,000, when you can make 3,000 in one little day, and y'all talking about $100 an hour. You feel what I'm saying? Like, when you can do that, like, you be starting to think up all type of dreams. You be like, man, I'm about to buy this compound. Man, I'm about to buy this over here. I'm about to buy this 4 acres of land. Like, you start dreaming like crazy. So you be happy to be like, all right, Jay, hold on, bro. Hold on. You think, stay in the moment. What's gonna get me there? Okay, I gotta get my trade set up. So I gotta lock in, be patient. All right, you dreaming a little too much. It's okay to dream, but really back in, stay in the moment. What's gonna get you to that dream? Don't stop doing the things that got you there. Remember, patience is what got us there. Hey, patience is what got us there. Hey. Listen. So I'm like, let me open it up to Discord for everybody, right? Then, okay, so it might be a handful of people that join or whatever. All right, cool. So right now, as of right now, I teach class on Sundays at 6 p.m. That's Central Standard Time. I teach class at I don't trade EUR NZD. No, I don't trade EUR USD, none of that. I trade three to 4 pairs, that's it. Really 2 pairs the whole year. I sprinkle in another 2, but I trade GBPJPY, GBPUSD for the whole year. And we made a killing. So now everybody is in the Discord, and they only $80, right? And you got me for the whole month. You only wanted me for 1 hour. You was gonna pay $100 for 1 hour, but you can have $80 to be in the Discord because that's the way I have things set up. That's what's make it easy for me to help you. So that's what you gotta do. That's the way. That's what was the best way, and to keep scammers out. So I had to go over to Discord, right? Now everybody go over there. Now you got me for the whole month. Now look, yes, I only teach class 1 time a week because you need time to study. So I taught class last Sunday and it was fire. Actually, I taught it for everybody. So y'all should have been there. But I taught it for everybody. And I opened it up for everybody, not just the core people. So then I record that video for you. And then all you do is just study it. Ask me questions all month long, every day if you want to. You're not bothering me. I want you to win. I want you to be able to quit your job if that's what you want to. Not everybody want to quit their job. I want you to have an extra little vacation money. I want you to have, you know what I'm saying? Like, so ask me questions all month long. Instead of just 1 for 1 hour, you can ask me questions all month long. Now that you understood like that, son, am I stupid now? You probably think I'm still stupid. Well, guess what? I'm helping more people than just one person for 1 hour, fool. Look, I'm helping more people at once. If I do one Zoom call for 1 hour, I'm helping one person. Do you know that this is my calling, brother? Do you know that this is my calling? So I have to help the people before God called me home, baby. What I'm like, you know what I'm saying? I'm thinking bigger. You thinking money. I'm thinking bigger. I'm thinking legacy. You thinking for the hour. See, you a 9-to-5 worker, son. Son, see, you a 9-to-5 worker. I thought I taught you better than that. You got a 9-to-5 mindset. I'm over here thinking legacy. He thinking 9-to-5. Stop it. All right, y'all. We got 10 minutes left on this candle. Nate, thank you, bro. He said effective. Now, see, Nate, see what I'm saying? No, Moosey said effective. Moosey, see what I'm saying? Nate said blessings to you, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you. No, so gold. So you, let's see. Jason said he's on gold. So what you gonna do with gold? This gold right here. Look, what you gonna do with it? You want to sell this? Because the gold move already happened. Kenya said last Sunday class was a banger. I'm telling you, y'all better listen to her. I'm telling you, and I got more bangers coming. Stop playing with me. Hey, TBE, I've been good, bro. I've been blessed. Moosey said, I did not give up on Forex because of you. The only reason why people gave up on Forex is because of the brokers. All right. For one, people like to hop on the fads. While everybody was hopping on pocket options and high frequency trading and all of this gambling stuff, like it all can be gambling. But it's just, to me, that was even more gambling. All right. So, yes, this Sunday, Jake, Andrea, yes, this Sunday. This Sunday, mark it in. Mark it in your calendar. I'm going live this Sunday in Discord. Let's go. But it's not going to be on the free side, though. I did that last Sunday. I only do that once a month. But look. They hop on all of these things. They hop on all of these fads. Your boy stayed true all these years. Now, can I get some likes? Like the video, please. Hit the like button, subscribe. Look, if y'all know your boy stayed true for all these years, you gotta give me some hearts and some likes for that. I deserve some hearts and some likes for that. Because now y'all benefiting from my discipline. Y'all thinking about that? Y'all actually benefiting from my discipline. And it was hard work. I woke up every day, 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. And then I studied 10 to 12 at night. And then I woke back up at 3 o'clock. All these years, it's been 9 years, y'all. Now y'all benefiting. Of course, I'm benefiting. Of course. I'm the one put the work in. But y'all benefiting too. And I did that while working at Office Max. Now, some of y'all on YouTube know my story, but listen, I'm going live in 2 different places. So if you hear me talking about a story that you already heard, it's people on Facebook that never heard of me. It's people on Facebook right now on my live that never heard of me. So don't think that you're just the only one in my live right now. Yeah, 9 years, man. Shout out to Sharon. 9 years, baby boy. So when I say we're not chasing this red candle on gold, we're not chasing money. We position ourselves for it. You got to hear what I'm saying. So I'm not touching gold. We already made money on gold. We already made money on gold. Look at my last live. That's done. We got to wait for this to reset. We got to wait for this to pull back. That's not the money right now. Go where the money is. This the money right here. Follow the money, baby. FTB, follow the banks. FTB, follow the banks, baby. That's what I should have named my channel, FTB. Follow the banks. Y'all want to know what my strategy is? That's my strategy. I got the FTB strategy. I got the FTB strategy. Follow the banks. Yes, sir. And don't nobody copy my stuff. I know everybody gonna look. FTB, baby. Follow the banks. Heck yeah. STD. What? Somebody said I got the STD strategy. Quit hating. Why you hating on the brother? Why you hating on the brother? Get that money with a brother. Pips pay my bills with a brother. Why you hating? Why you hating on the brother? Better get that money with a brother. A brother about to eat no other. A brother about to eat like no other. He said I got the STD strategy. He cold-blooded. He cold-blooded. I copy you all the time. My friend sings Pips Pay My Bills. Shout out, shout out, shout out. Meditate on the boat. Meditate on the boat. Money got me afloat. Meditate on the boat. Money got me afloat. Money got me afloat. Meditate on the boat. Money got me afloat. And when I hit the charts, your boy don't choke. Oh, I'm off beat on that one. All right, let's get back to that money, y'all. Come on. Stop playing around. Stop playing around. $50 a day, watch the money drip. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my... Oh, hey, is this the gangster remix? The Pips pay my bills? Hey, Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Watch the money drip, 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 drip. Pips pay my bills. Hey. Hey, he said, I'm gonna leave Lil Cap alone. Okay, well, leave me alone and let me make my money. Leave me alone and let me make my money. Because I'm making my money on live. Making my money on live. Watch that money stacking. When I see that stack, I'ma dive in it. I make my money live with it. I make my money live with it. Now what you gon' say? Now what you gon' say? Cause I ain't showing you no profits any other way. I'm on live with it. I'm about to dive in it. Boy, stop playing with me. I've been doing this for 9 years, boy. Hey, when you've been doing this for 9 years, ain't nothing. Look. Listen, look. When you have a craft, all right, shout out to Derek Smart. Shout out to Jason. Shout out to Dante Buck. All right, look. All y'all got little jobs or whatever y'all work, right? Are y'all good at y'all jobs? How long have y'all been working at y'all jobs? How long? 10 years? Some people have been working at their jobs for 6 years. You're good at your job. You've been doing this for so long and you actually are detailed to your job. So some customer come in here, you don't know what you're doing. Ma'am, I've been doing this longer than you. I know that there's no computers up there. There's no computers in the back. I'm not going in the back. There's no. I go walk in the back and take a bite of my sandwich and come back and say, ma'am, there's still no computers back here. You feel me? Like, look, you know your job. So you're not going to let a customer, a viewer, a troll come in and disrupt you from your job. You know your job. You've been doing it for too long. Maybe when I first started, they'll throw you off. But when you've been doing it for too long, nothing can disturb your peace. You feel me? Nothing can disturb you. All right, so check it out. Man. Let's see. Gold is dropping, but that's the thing, y'all. Like, look, he said gold is dropping. Like, that's not a drop. Like, you must be on a 5-minute chart, fam. See, this is why I'm doing these lives for beginners. Okay, and that's no disrespect to anybody that's a beginner. It's just that we all have to learn some things, and we all have to come from somewhere. Gold is not dropping. Okay, it's dropping on a 1-minute chart. It's dropping on a 5-minute chart. Let me show you. Okay, if you're on a 5-minute chart, you see that 5 on my chart right there in the middle? If you're on a 5-minute chart, it looks like it's dropping. Okay. Now, see, this looks like a different story. Every candle tells a story. Every time frame tells another story. All right, that's nothing. That's not even worth me getting into. You feel me? That's nothing. I'm gonna sit here and be on this big boy time frame. Put your big boy pants on and get your butt on this 1-hour time frame and sit here and wait for your trade setup like a boss. Stop playing. Get off the playground. Get off the playground. All right? Stop playing on the playground. Stop playing on the monkey bars. No, I'm just playing. I'm just talking junk. I'm just talking junk. It's people that make money on a 5-minute chart. It's just that's not the way that I trade. But I do encourage you to come to the I do encourage you to come to the 1-hour chart for real. Come to the 1-hour chart because you can get a bigger bang for your buck. And you can see, like, you won't be lost. Like, you can see the bigger picture. Like, I want to see the bigger picture. Like, I can position myself for this money better on the hour chart. Then I'm going to go, once it get to where I want it to get to, then I'm going to go down to like a 30-minute chart, a 15-minute chart, and, you know, capitalize on that trade. All right. So that's what I need to do and stay off the 1 or 5-minute chart. Shout out to Nate. Hey, Nate, thank you for being honest, bro. Shout out W Nate in the chat. W Nate in the chat. He's on Facebook. Shout out to Jason. He from YouTube. Shout out to all y'all. I got everybody mixed in one. I like that. Like I said, man, I'm trying to leave a legacy, man. When your boy get caught up to glory, I want y'all to actually win. I want y'all to actually take this serious. Like, I want y'all to be able to bring somebody with y'all. Like, I'm bringing my son with me, of course. I'm bringing my other 2 kids with me, of course. My twins. I'm teaching them, but I'm bringing my cousin too. I'm bringing my brother too. I'm bringing them too. Who you gonna bring? Or you just gonna keep this to yourself? You gonna keep this to yourself? No, we're not doing that. And that is not why I'm doing this. Y'all see it pulling back? See that pull back right there? You see that pull back right there? We need that right there. We need that pull back right there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I get they got to see you win. Hey, Rodney said, can I be your brother, Jay? Yes, you are my brother. In the Lord, you're my brother. I want to be on 10 acres. Heck shit, bro. Look, I want my cousins, all the family members that's having a hard time, everybody having a hard time, but don't nobody want to help each other out. Ain't that crazy? All right, y'all, let me lock in. Everybody having a hard time. Everybody having a hard time paying their bills. Everybody complaining. Everybody doing this, doing that. Like, they struggling. They working 5 jobs. Hey, sell USDJPY. USDJPY is a sell. Sell it, 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 sell it. Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it. Yup. Yup, it turned red. They said, what? They said, what? Is it brown? Is it white? That's what they be saying. I say, is it red? I said, is it red? Let me look and see what I want to see what GBPJPY doing. Yeah. So I'm not selling GBPJPY, I'm selling USDJPY. You see that? I want to catch that. I'm in that wick right there, selling that right there. Let's see how we go. All right, let's see if we can get halfway to TP. We get halfway to TP, we gonna lock that in. All right, this is 20 pips. What? What happened? Oh, you get in at the top, or you get in like?
It's so fast.
Well, you ain't just get in because you missed it, right? You got in at the top, right? At the golden zone, right? Or you just got in wherever it was at. Oh, yes. Yeah, you got to get in at the right entry point. You got to get in.
Like barely breaking up.
I know, but do you see that yellow line that's right there? Yeah. We had that up there the whole time. So that's what when price hit that, that's what we're trying to sell at. Now, if price drops and you get in late, you don't jump in late. You acting like you chasing money. We not chasing money. We position ourselves for it. We positioned ourselves for it for the last 30, 40, 47 minutes. Now, if you position yourself for the money for 47 minutes, and then when the time comes and you don't get it, you need to go sit down and go study. All right, what was your question? You can just look up there and see everything. Yeah, but see, Nate, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Them 20 pips ain't guaranteed, bro. Them 20 pips ain't guaranteed. So what you gonna do when if it goes halfway to TP, you just gonna let that just like that, you just gonna let it sit there? No, if it goes halfway to TP, we're gonna lock in and move up stop loss. You're blessed if it keeps going to 2030. See, that's how we think. And then guess what? What if it don't go to 2030, but you was up 11 pips? You was up 11, 12, 13 pips. But it never was going to go to 20 anyway. It was never going to go to 20. That's how you win when most people still lose. That's how you win in a losing trade. That's the method. That boy go halfway to TP, you lock in them 10 pips, you move up that stop loss. If it keep going, you keep collecting. If it stop you out in profit, you go about your way. Come on, baby. Stop playing with them. Now look. Now listen, team. Hold on, stop playing. All of this, nothing is guaranteed. All right? I'm not the influencer. I'm not the social media guy that's going to tell you that everything is like, oh, this is just a cakewalk. This is just easy. This is nothing. We just do this every day and we don't lose. Because I lose 20% of the time. I win 80% of the time. So I don't know when the 20% is going to come. The 20% of losses. I don't know when that's going to come. It could come today. It could come tomorrow. It could come in December. All I know is it's a numbers game. And my strategy wins 80% of the time. So I have to keep showing up, because I know that 80% is going to be there. All right, but if I keep skipping days, not showing up, sleeping in, oh, I'm tired, I'm enjoying my sleep, then I might land on two losing days and not even be able to recoup because I slept through the winning days. That's how this works. So nothing is guaranteed. Nothing I'm showing you right here can be guaranteed. So trade at your own risk. Don't blow your money. Use the correct lot size. Please. Don't get mad at me if it lose. All right? Now, the only thing, one more thing. The only problem with doing my job, is new people finding me all the time. So y'all might be locking in with me for 3 days, and we won 3 days in a row. And then a new person that joined me on the 4th day walk into a losing trade. You feel what I'm saying? That's the reality of what I do. And I have to sit through that and own it. And I have to get called names like, oh, you trash. But you just walked in on the losing day. Like, I never said that I win all the time. But where was you at when I won a whole week straight? So you got to stick with it. You got to stick with it, all right? That's the reality of what I do. It's a dark side to it. It's an unfun side to it. You know what I'm saying? But you got to be built for it. All right. So somebody said gold. What is gold doing? See, that's why I didn't sell gold. You see that? Stay away from that. Gold is not ready. Gold is not ready. How much I need besides $80 because I just got laid off my job? Honestly, Nate, if you just got laid off your job, I don't think you should be trading. And nobody's going to tell you that. Nobody's going to tell you that. I'm going to tell you that. You want to know why I'm going to tell you that? Because when I was working at Office Max, and when I didn't have any money and all I had was like a line of credit at my credit union, guess what the guy told me? Man, you need to go get that loan out and come get this trading money because we winning. By the grace of God, I was able to pull it off. But I know so many people that just lost all their money and they were not able to bounce back. Because losses are going to come. And you're going to make mistakes. And these people were sharks. Them two dudes were sharks. They knew I shouldn't have been there. You need to sell your Xbox. You need to sell your shoes. You need to sell this and come join us. Cause these little trades over here that we doing and these all of this stuff is winning. And I come in, bro. That junk is bull crap. Now go recruit these folk. Since you ain't making no money, go recruit these folk. Man, bro, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Look, I'm telling you straight up, look me in my eyes, eye to eye. You just got laid off. Trading is going to cause you stress. Trading is going to cause you stress, emotional stress. Every trade for you has to work. And that's not how we trade. Yes, we trade with an abundant mindset. But because your back is against the wall, and it's not against the wall the right way. See, my back was against the wall because I didn't have no college degree. I had a job, though. I had a job. My back was against the wall because I didn't have no career to go to. I was stuck at Office Max if I didn't do something. But I had a job. I was able to feed my family. So now I'm trading with a clear conscience. I'm trading at peace. Yes, I got goals, but I'm trading at peace. But my back was against the wall. But that's the right way. Now, you're back against the wall because you on the verge of not having no money next month because your money going to run out? No, we ain't trying to do that. Heck no. We're not trying to do that because trading, that will make you go crazy. Like if you lose 3 days in a row, you know how the enemy going to attack your mind? You know how the devil going to attack your mind and the flesh going to attack your mind? Bro, how you feeling like you worthless? You can't do it. Oh, I'm down and out. What homeless shelter I'm about to go into? You're going to be on Google looking up homeless shelters. That's how dark it can get. I don't want you in that place. That's real talk. And nobody in my position going to tell you something like that. They be like, man, you can come make this money. Come spend this $80 with me. I'm going to get you right. Man, stop it. Bro, you got $80, bro, and you ain't got no job, bro. Man, you better put them $80 in some groceries. Don't get that the money to me. I don't want that. I don't want your $80, bro. Not today. We'll do it we'll try next year. I want you to come and say, hey, bro, I made it, bro. I got me a little job locked down. Now let's talk about that Forex money, baby. Now you still should be on these lives. Nate, you ain't going nowhere. You ain't going nowhere, Nate. You still need to be on these lives because you still got to get this you still got to get this education. So when the money do come, you're in position. See, we don't chase the money. See, you was about to chase the money. We position ourselves for it. It goes deeper than positioning ourselves on the charts. We got to position ourselves for it in life. Come on, double tap the screen. Let's get these likes up. Come on, let's get these likes up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm your boy Jay Wayne, representing Team Take Profits. Still need the knowledge, bro. You still got to get this knowledge, bro. You still got to show up and get this knowledge, baby. Position yourself for it, man. I believe in you, Nate. I want to hear your testimony. Come back later on, like still lock in with me, but when that testimony hit and God bless you and bring you out on the other side, man, I want you to share that joint. I'll put you on live. If you might not be into that, but I share the screen with you on live through the little share thing. And you can come up here and look at the people and tell them your story. Look, when God bless you and give you a testimony, you got to share. Now, you ain't got to share with my people, but you got to share with somebody. Because the testimonies, you know what I mean? They encourage others. They encourage other people, and you're going to be able to help other people that's in your situation. Absolutely. Absolutely. I believe in you, fam. All right. So we at USDJPY and we got and we're trying to catch a pullback. All right. But we're going to have to be patient. It ain't moving. It ain't moving. Let's go look at GJ. Uh-oh. There go GJ. Trying to bounce off that line. It's trying to bounce off that trend line. So we'll see. Remember, I told you what to do with GJ. I'm on a 1 hour chart, y'all. Y'all can see that 1H in the background. All right. So we'll see. Let's see what GU doing. GU ain't doing nothing. We ain't messing with no GU. All right, look, y'all. This is the dollar index. Now, this one is this is in consolidation. This is why the all the GBPUSD pairs, they not moving. The USD pairs not moving. It's because this is in consolidation. See, so look, we were just in distribution. We just came off of distribution. Now we're in accumulation. The market is accumulating now. So today might be a slow day. I know you ain't trying to hear all that, but it is what it is. So the market will end up, the market can accumulate. It's accumulating. It's accumulating. And then it'll send out a manipulation. Bloop. Manipulate, you think it's going down, and then come back up and shoot right through the manipulation and go into distribution. So that's the phases. All right. So hopefully you caught that. So this is in, we just was in distribution. And they don't have to be in that order. They can be in whatever order they want to be in. It can go distribution, accumulation, manipulation. Right back to accumulation to distribution. Like, it doesn't matter. You just got to identify it. All right. So we're in accumulation phase on the Dixie. So we're going to have to be patient. Hey, why is my phone not charging?
It's not plugged in.
Oh, it's not plugged in all this time?
Goober.
Okay. I'm like, what the heck? Why is this not charging? There we go. We charging now, baby. Hey, do it sound like I'm underwater, y'all, or y'all can hear my voice? Do it sound clear? Because my last stream, it sounded like it was underwater, and that stream was fire.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, that stream was fire yesterday, and it sounded like I was underwater the whole time. And didn't nobody tell me until the end. Nobody told me until the end. I was like, bro, you gotta be kidding me. Let me know. It's Fred said it sound good. All right. Yeah, I had to go into my phone set. I had my phone on isolation mode. So look, I have my phone on isolation, bro. I'm over here. Like, where's it at? Look, hey, this is how I had to talk on my phone for like what, the whole month? Probably almost the whole month. This is how I had to talk on my phone. What's up, bro? This is how I had to talk on my phone because like I had to connect this to my iPhone and then I had to connect it to the Bluetooth, right? And I had to talk to people through here because they couldn't hear me through my speaker. But I forgot. When I was playing with my phone last month, I put it in isolation mode.
Yeah, I did that too. Everybody said, man, get a new phone.
Get a new phone.
I looked it up. Then they said, yeah, the isolation messes it up.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm around here, and like I cannot talk to nobody until I get home. So I start bringing this so I can talk to people. So I'm like, yeah, bro. Yeah. I'm like, it's like, hey, this back 2000. We back in the 2000. Back in the 99. Like, I'm over here talking on the Bluetooth like, yeah, bro, yeah, all right, yeah, I'll see you in a minute. I'm trying to get off the phone, bro, because I'm holding this brick.
For like 30 minutes at a time.
Bro, I'm on the phone holding this boy for 30 minutes. I'm talking to one dude for 30 minutes. Hey, y'all know what? Hey, if y'all look, matter of fact, I'm glad I brought that up. Because matter of fact, if y'all looking for entertainment, if y'all like to be on live and be entertained and, you know, late at night, you know how you be laying back, scrolling through YouTube and stuff like that. Hey, put his link in the description.
I don't know his link.
He be going live and stuff like that. I want to shout him out. Remember?
I forgot it.
Hold on, let me see. I think y'all should go check him out. Let me see.
What's that noise?
This is the speakers. Why you turning it down? Turn it up.
Because it sounds off.
I don't care. You can't. It's just gonna pop. You fixed it? Hey, turn it up, turn it up. Hey, I've been on that paper chase for months. Alright, just play it. Just turn my stuff up. I've been to myself, I've been out the way. If I'm not with the kids, me and Tay-Tay. Spend a bag. He said it's me and Tay-Tay. I go north across the border like some poutine. Growing up, I had hoop dreams. Still be on the hoop scene. But I turn hoop dreams to food dreams. And look, we made it. Still doing numbers and the ones who got famous. Get what I'm saying? I could take a cookie cutter system and bust it down. Post that in Facebook and post that in my YouTube. I've been on the paper chase for months. Oh. I've been on the marathon for months. Run it up. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? What's up? I've been on the paper chase for months. I've been on the paper chase for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. Not Shaq West, but I'm getting really rich. Not your favorite rapper, but I'm really making hits. Soundtrack the world, got a lesson, who is this? Soundtrack the world, this is really just some biz. Big business and I stand on it. I've been on my phone, put some bands on it. No days off, put the time in it. Who me? Take a break, didn't plan on it. Take a loss and I'm not stressing it. The money works for me when I invested in it. What you step in, not what I'm stepping in. Yeah. I cannot be messing up the mannequin. Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. Hey y'all, there it is right there. Hey, there it is right there. It said look up Do Re Me. DOERAEMEH. He funny, bro. But he a cool dude though. Like y'all gonna see him as doing his little YouTube thing, but he funny though. And I got to know him personally. So look, dude is cool, bro. Dude is cool. He is homeless. He is homeless, but he grinding and he funny. So it's like he ain't making no excuses. He said he homeless, not hopeless. He said he homeless, but not
Sounds right.
helpless. Hopeless. He said I'm homeless but not hopeless.
Yeah.
All right. So hey y'all, check him out. All right, we trying to is anybody in profit on UJ finally? It's dropping. Did you ever get in? Because it came right back up.
Yeah, I got it.
You getting paid? You in profit?
Yeah. It's not typically 5 pips.
Both of them. All right, y'all. We almost halfway to TP. Some days this candle shoot out quick. Boom. Well, we be 20 pips in profit in like 5-10 minutes, and some days it's slower. Look, I learned that you just can't be like, you got to come in with realistic expectations, and we got to be thankful that we're in position to even make some money. The market don't owe us nothing. The market don't owe us anything, but we're just thankful and grateful that we can catch something out of the market. All right. This is not a stock. This is a currency. So this currency right here, look at y'all. Look at the middle of my screen. It says USDJPY. So that's the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. All right. So that's how we doing that. So I trade GBP, USD. I trade GBP, JPY. I trade AUD, JPY. Sometimes. And sometimes I trade this pair, USD, JPY. But the reason why I went to USDJPY because it's nothing going on with GBPUSD. We already made money on that yesterday on the drop. So it's like I gotta wait for it to reset. You feel me? So it's nothing I can do here. I'm not finna just take a buy right here. That's stupid. So I gotta, you know what I'm saying? I gotta wait for it. I gotta wait for it to set up again. GBPJPY is in the same boat. It's in the same boat. So we gotta wait. And that shot up with a straight green candle to this golden zone. So let's see what it does. Let's see how it reacts to this golden zone. And I only take 1 or 2 trades a day. That's it. That's it. 1 or 2 trades a day. I'm not trading all day. And I'm done by like 10 o'clock in the morning. I've been up since 1 o'clock in the morning, marking up charts and just kind of monitoring it. I did go to sleep, but like I was like in and out, like keep looking at the chart, see where it's at. So I've been really grinding since 1 a.m. But wasn't nothing happening. Wasn't nothing happening. So now I said, well, since ain't nothing happening during London session, it's probably going to start moving around New York. It says we got to have a TTP cookout. I'm down. I'm down. TTP cookout.
Let's go to the Trinity Park.
I'm down for that. How many people we got in Texas that want a TTP cookout?
Minimum 15.
How many people should we have at the cookout? Hey, what we gonna do at the cookout? We gonna eat barbecue. I know who can cook it too. Look, I know who can throw down. His name is Zach. His name is Zach, bro. I said, teach me how to barbecue. He ain't taught me yet. He said, next time I barbecue, he ain't talked to me yet. I know he done barbecued at least once or twice since we talked. I said, teach me your secrets, bro. Teach me your secrets. He said he gonna teach me one day. I said, I gotta carry the tradition on. We're gonna have the TTP cookout. What y'all wanna do at the TTP cookout? What y'all wanna do? All right, this boy pulling back, so we gotta keep an eye out on this. Yeah. Soon as 9:30 came, pulling back. But you was, how much was you in profit? Oh, hold up. Let me see something right quick. Let me see. How do you? Hey, y'all, like and subscribe to live, y'all. Like and subscribe if y'all haven't already. No, I wanted to catch the sale. I wanted to catch the sale on USDJPY. Let me look at one more thing. Let me look and see if there's a fair value gap right here. All right, y'all, we sitting in a fair value gap, I think. Yes. So price just retested the fair value gap. That's the red area. That's right at my golden zone. Can y'all see that? Y'all see that red box? That's the fair value gap. So price is in there. So I was looking for a sell on this pullback. So I'm not looking for a buy. I'm trying to catch this sell up out of there. My bad, y'all. We still here. We still here.
When they doubt it, on record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin', on record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. They do it, wish they didn't prove, listen, presence. when I shouldn't do it. I complete rejected with the loser, then I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost 'em. I can't work for winners when I know you're losing, so I win the winners and they play with deuces. Guess I have to pivot, shooting the bazookas for the backs. I need racks, paper cash, the tax, that's a joke. Tell them laugh, Uncle Sam, got the bag, Brody clap, get 'em whack, contract, give me the max. I got laugh on my back, you ain't that, then it's raps. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, I ain't trying to grow that it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to lay no time to waste. For the record.
Oh no, I was on here trying to get in something. What pair are you on, Jay? All right, shout out to Evan. What's up, Evan? Shout out to Evan. I'm on USDJPY, and let's see. I was also looking at GBPJPY. The GBPJPY, I saw that divergence. It kept dropping lower, but I still saw that as some divergence on the RSI. So now these little red boxes on the screen is fair value gaps.
What's the green ones?
The green ones, that's like, yeah, it's a fair value gap too. They all fair value gaps. So I'm trying to see how price is going to respect that this, it's right in between two fair value gaps. So you can see that little green candle right there. All right, so would you trade the pullback?
That's always the question I got.
Would you got the same question?
Yeah, it's like
Like would I just sell it like on the green candle?
nah, it's like
You know what I do? Like when they break our and they retest, you gotta sell it. You don't know what I'm talking about? When they break our stuff, the trade setups that I send out, you don't know what I'm talking about? So don't you take the retest when it shoot out and come back? Don't you take the retest? So why you got that question still? Because that's what we do. So what you confused about? Hey, like and subscribe, y'all, if you haven't already. If you're new to me and you enjoying the live and you want to, get this paper, subscribe. There is a market open big gap on GJ below. Oh, Zion said, I forgot what Zion said. He said, how do you get the watermark? So look, this is the hour chart. This is pulling back to the fair value gap. It's right at my golden zone, y'all. So that's what I'm saying. Like, let's try to see what this candle gonna do. Be patient, because we could probably take a sell up out of here. Oh, you got the watermark? Somebody said, look at the 4H. Yeah, so the 4H is telling us to pull back, but it could pull all the way back, or it could pull back a little bit to this golden zone and drop for us. Now, let me tell you about this. This 4 hour got this big wick, and it looked like it's about to go up, right? It looked like it could go up. All right, cool. But we can get our pips before it goes up, or it could just go up right now. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. On this hour chart, I want to see how it's going to, for GBPJPY, I'm trying to see how is it going to respect this golden zone and its fair value gap. Because the 4 hour is, if I look at the 4 hour and just wait and wait for the 4 hour to tell me the entry, it'll be too late. It'll be too late. But the 1 hour is going to give me more information. The 4 hour is good too. Thank you for pointing out the 4 hour, because it can show you like, hey, here's the big wick. But guess what? Whenever you wait for a pullback, it's always a wick. So that don't mean everything. If price is pulling back on the lower time frame, it's a wick on the higher time frame. It's always like that. But the most important thing is we marking up these areas. We got to see how price react at them. We got to see how price react at these areas. So we waiting.
First we went from the court to the bikes, back to the course of my younger days. Live through it all, but still nothing changed. Forever be me till I'm in the grave. Face on my problems, don't run away. Stand on my feelings, don't need to chase. Give the gap, but can't give it to the hate. I'ma just tip my cap and dip right back to my little happy face. Back on the line, I'm again. I'm going through the most.
Why are you acting up this way? Why are you acting this way? Hey, did you connect on this thing right here?
Just push that Bluetooth button on top.
It ain't working.
What? It's like not connected?
Yeah. Hey, I need a my laptop about to die. I need a charger. Yeah. That should be good. What's that? Hey, you fixed the chair?
Yeah.
Oh. Hold on 1 second, y'all.
What you doing?
Trying to figure out why this ain't working.
Is it with the OBS?
No. Why this ain't working? It says connected. Why it ain't working? Give me 1 second, y'all.
Is it connected to anything?
Yeah, it says it's connected. It says connected right here.
Then why is the Bluetooth button blinking?
I don't know. So did I do the wrong one?
Now reconnect it.
It says it's connected right now.
Yeah. Now you see how it's solid red blue? Now it's white.
It should say boop 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 boop. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, probably because I'm screen mirroring though. Oh yeah. Okay, y'all. I got it. Never mind, y'all. Thank y'all for being patient. Sorry about that, y'all. I think I know what the problem is. I think I know what the problem is. All right, we back. We back. All right, look at your profit now. All right, y'all. Sorry about that, y'all. Technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. Hey, yo, I'm getting tired, bro. I need some energy. I need some energy. I need some energy. I'm looking to have a swing on a AJ soon. I will make a video and email it to you with the details when I do, sir. Okay, yeah, email me. You got my email? Kenya said I'm with the meetup. What y'all want to do at the meetup, though? What y'all want to do at the meetup? Give me some ideas. Give me some ideas at the meetup. Give me some ideas. I want to do the meetup too, but I don't know what y'all want to do. Email for what? Zion got it. Yeah, baby. Hey, put it in the chat. The email. jtechprofits@gmail.com. Hey, I'm gonna put the email in the chat. Hey, make that money now. Yeah, I get that money now. Better take the trade now. Now get that money now. Ballin', 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 ballin'. Get that money now. Yeah. Go hard and up, go hard for it. Go hard and up, go hard for it. Go hard in it, go hard for it. Go hard in it, cause I'm all for it. Ballin', 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 ballin'. Like a pro, now you know. Now you know. Hey, do y'all see, like, so I got this golden zone up at the top. That was the one from the 1 hour. That's a good pullback area where I'm looking for sales on the GJ. Now look, it could go up, team. It could go up, but let me get my money first. Can I get my money before it goes up? That's the thing. Look, I'm not looking for 50 pips. You know what I'm saying? I'm not looking for 50 pips. So a lot of times you can get your money. Everybody got their own analysis. Everybody say, oh, this going up, that going up, because everybody got different strategies. You know what I mean? But you got to have yours, and you got to filter out that outside noise and just stick to your game plan, win or lose. Get your profits, because you know your trade better than what they talking about. You know what I mean? You know your stuff better. So you like, Yeah, but you're telling me not to do my trade because you're thinking about, you know, catching big massive moves. I'm only scalping. So it's like, yeah, what you're saying might come into play, but I'm gonna get my money first. But it's all potential. But I'm gonna get mine's, and then we can go get yours. Because in a like a big movement, a big push up, there's gonna be pullbacks inside of that candle that goes up. There's gonna be, you could buy inside of some candles that's going down. It's just that, do you know where the areas are? So everybody can win. It's just that we just got to know the timing of our own little strategies. That's all it is, really. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Like, I ain't no singer. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, they said, no, bro, stick to rapping, bro. Stick to rapping, bro. Shut up, bro. Shut up, bro. We gonna unsubscribe if you keep trying to sing, bro. Don't subscribe, man. Lock in with your boy. Lock in with your boy Ski. Hey, like this video. Like this video. If you haven't already. Like this video. Like this video. Look, it is time for some trade juice. Ooh. Yeah, baby. We about to get so y'all don't know about that trade juice. Hey, hold on now. Y'all don't see what that is now. Don't go see what that is. That's that Team Take Profits trade juice. Come on, let's take it. Let's take a sip, y'all. Hold on. Take a sip. Come on, here, get a shot of that. Come on now. Get some of that Team Take Profits trade juice. Quit looking at the name of it. It's Team Take Profits trade juice. This is how we focus. This is the cheat code. This is the strategy. This is the strategy. I was in the lab formulating this. Come on, take it to the dome, y'all. Are y'all ready? Y'all got y'all cup? Toast. Woo! With that zero sugar, baby, I'm lit. Hey, like Ric Flair. Woo! Good shit. I need that second win. I need that second win. We about to lock in. All right, who we got up in here? We up now, baby. I'm already preparing to lock in for a workout. Kenya, let's get this workout in. Justin said USDJPY about to sell. Let's go, baby. What's in that pre-workout? Ooh, nothing but goodness. What? Nothing but goodness. Nothing but goodness. That's that trade juice. What part of Texas you in? A brother live out by Dex. Shout out to Nate. I live in Fort Worth. I don't know where Nate from. Where you from, Nate? Nah, he said he got a brother that live by Dallas. I'm in Fort Worth. So TBE said, being honest, this will confuse the middle people. The vets already know, but the beginners are trying to learn, so you got to stay on it. Absolutely. TBE, absolutely. I'm going back through the chats, y'all. So somebody said, what about set and forget it? All right. So what about set and forget it? Now the thing with set and forget it is, it's hard to scalp and set and forget it. You feel me? I am a scalper. All right? Let me holler at you right quick. Let me pull up a chair right quick. All right, listen. The question is, what about set and forget it? That is for people that's day trading. It's hard to set and forget a scalp trade. Sometimes you can do it, but you're getting in the middle of bigger moves. It's hard to set and forget when you're getting in the middle, which is at a good spot though. It might be at a fair value gap. It might be at a trend line break. It might be at any of those, right? So it can give you some money, but it's something that you gotta watch. You feel me? It's something you gotta watch. If you want to set and forget, then you need to be day trading. And see, the thing about that is you never really know when that's about to take off. So it might be 1 in the morning when the beginning of that move starts. You know what I'm saying? It might be 2 in the morning. It might be 10 o'clock yesterday, 10 o'clock at night yesterday when the beginning of that move started, and you got to take that trade when it happens. So then at 10 o'clock last night, you saw the market about to drop. All right. So then you can go ahead and take it and hold it potentially until right now. That's a set and forget. But you got to be flexible. You can't be talking about, I'm going to show up at the market at 3 a.m. every day and they got to pay me. And you think you about to set and forget that? It don't work that way. It don't work that way. You got to be ready around the clock if you want to be a set and forgetter. That's what they call them. You want to be a set and forgetter? You got to be ready round the clock. Round the clock. Now me, I got my times that I show up. So I pick my little spots, and if there's no spots to get in on, then I don't trade. But if I see some areas where I could potentially make some income today, then I'll sit and wait and I'll watch it. Look, it's about to be 9:56. I'm going to be done trading. I'm not trading all day. And I only swing trade probably once or twice a year. So I'm about to be done trading. I'm not about to be trading till 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Like I got Bible study to go to, and I got other stuff I got to do. You feel me? I got another business to attend to. I got another business to attend to.
Oh, I miss you, baby.
You know I miss you, baby. Oh yeah. You know I miss you, baby. Oh, I miss you, baby. Bro, shut up, bro. Shut up singing, bro. I told you stop singing.
Lord only knows what it took to make it you, like a blossom of a tree or the color of a jewel. So divine is the feeling that I find, like a sweet mountain breeze and a fragment of my mind. I said, darling, you are all I want for sure. Darling, give me everything and more. I said, darling,
Ooh, darling, girl, I'm missing you. Drop it down, drop it down, drop it down, and drop it down, bring it back up, bring it back up,
Start talking, girl, you're walking circles through my mind, and it seems like every day just gets better when you're mine. When you love now and forever, when I hurt you are the cure. Like a spring, you keep me healthy.
Oh, hold up though, hold on, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. All right, so check this out. GJ is, why is GJ not dropping like UJ? You feel me? So look, I think that we might have to start switching our mindset, because are y'all in profit on UJ? We might gotta take a little bit of take some of this profit. Okay, let's see how much we can get. Let's see how much we can get, but it might end up being a buy. Like, I know these are, I know this look like a wick and it's about to drop. But what I'm trying to say is this. Why is GJ? So is GJ the leader today, or is GJ lagging behind? See, we got to figure that out, team. Is GJ lagging behind UJ? Or is GJ really telling us what UJ about to do? You feel me? Because GJ look like we holding up strong and we about to take a buy. You feel me? It's 10 o'clock, y'all. It's 10 o'clock. Now look, y'all, everybody should be in some profit. Some people got in earlier. Some people got in right at that golden zone at the top. You should be in profit on UJ. All right, it's 10 o'clock, so you got to get your money. Unfortunately, I wish that we could have caught 50 pips, but we don't run this market. We got to take what we can get. And it's looking like it's stalling out. So if the sales are not going to happen, we are in position to take our money now and take a buy. So somebody said GJ going down so far is due to pull back. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying, Isaiah. So I'm thinking let's take profit on UJ. Let's take profit on UJ. Let's get what we can get, and let's start positioning for these buys. Come on now. The only problem is, like Nate said, it's 10 o'clock, though. That's the only thing I hate, though. I hate that this is starting to happen at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock is the end of my day. It's time to go work on another business. You feel me? Elijah, I'm getting sucked in. I'm getting sucked in to the trading wormhole. I'm getting anxious. I took this pre-workout, baby. I want to get this money. Hey, son. Pull me out of this. Pull me out. I need discipline. If you don't pull me out right now, I'm going to lock in for another 2 hours. And ain't nothing you can do about it. Bro, that trade, that's how it be for real. Hey, don't it be like that for real, though, y'all? Hey, I'm joking. Hey, I'm joking, but it be like that, though. It be like that, man. You be like, oh, bro, it's about to move. I'm about to get the money. I'm about to get that money. I'm about to get this money, boy. And it's 10 o'clock. You know your trading strategy tells you to be done at 10 o'clock no matter what. There's a hard stop at 10 o'clock. There's a hard stop at 10 o'clock. Here I go. I think I see something. Let me stay here another hour.
Even though it's over.
Look.
I closed this out.
No, we got money. We got our money. Look, we got our money.
Yeah.
Look.
But I'm saying, I closed it.
We got our money.
I closed it like right up in here.
You closed it a little earlier.
Yeah. But then it's always like that.
Hey, y'all, he said half the bag in. Let's go.
Who said that?
Let's go. My boy Jason. That's my boy. Jason. Yeah, Jay. Let's go. Half the bag locked in on the live. Heck shit. He said half the bag locked in. Better stop playing with him.
Yeah, that's what I go for when I see momentum and all that.
Stop playing with Jason. Hey, W Jason in the chat. W Jason in the chat. He said half the bag locked in. He doing the right thing. W Jason in the chat. Elijah, W Jason in the chat right now. W Jason in the chat. Everybody, W Jason in the chat. Come on. He on YouTube. Yeah, it showed me Justin is from Facebook. Yo, check the smaller time frames with the moving averages. Okay, Nate said WJ. Shout out to W Nate. W Nate for not being jealous of Jason. W Nate for saluting Jason for getting that money. W Nate. W Nate. W Nate in the chat. Jason W Jason for locking in the profits and being disciplined. W Nate for supporting his brother. We a team, baby. We love to see people winning. That's how we do it. Team take profits. We don't compete, we dominate. Oh. Derek Smart with the blue. Derek Smart with the blue. Yeah, hey, Derek Smart got on blue, bro. I appreciate Derek, man. Shout out to Derek Smart.
Derek got that moderator.
No, Derek Smart, he is smart. That's a smart man.
Nah, it's like, but he's moderator. He can shush them boys up. Them talking bad.
No, look. No, I'm not banning nobody no more. Only way you getting banned is if you talking about little kids or you talking about you disrespecting God or something like that. You being blasphemous, then you probably gonna get banned. And if you talking about little kids and stuff like that, you probably gonna get banned because you know OGs from the hood. We don't play like that.
But don't forget,
we don't play like that. But if you trolling me, I don't care. If you trolling me, talk about me, all that, I don't care. I don't care. But the rules is don't be talking about no kids stuff. Don't be talking about no little kids. Don't be blaspheming God. Nothing like that. Nothing like that. But you can anything is allowed. Don't ban nobody, Derek, because Derek, you can ban people out the chat, but don't ban nobody unless they blaspheming God or they talking about some weird stuff like little kids or something like that. We not doing that, baby boy. The power of the wrench. Hey, Derek got the wrench on him. The power. Hey, what up, though? What up, though? Man, bro, look. Bro, my body is tingling, bro. My body is tingling, though. Bro, I took that trade juice. Woo! Hey, look. Hey, when I took that trade juice, did that market start moving when I took that trade juice? Did it start moving after I took that trade juice?
bro, you serious?
Bro, did the market start moving after I took that trade? This is the strategy.
Yeah, I think you're on me, brother.
Bro, did that market start moving when I took that trade juice? Stop playing. Stop playing, boy. Y'all better get y'all some trade juice. Y'all better get y'all some trade juice. Y'all better get y'all some of that trade juice. Hey, Kenya, let's get these workouts in.
Go hard or go home.
Let's go. Get that workout in while y'all make that money.
Go home.
Make that money.
Go hard or go home. Go hard. Touchdown like a red zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard or go home. Go hard or go home. Yeah, these championship rings on my hands now. In my head, I'm top 10, yeah, that's hands down. The squad Whole squad know you're looking man down.
Hey, get your workout in when you make that money.
Like a tournament, call filling up, I need product. Treat the business like a playground, might slide on you. Don't know my do a backflip, cause I'm mad rich. I'm the definition of what that is. Go hard,
Go hard,
or go home,
or go home,
go hard,
or go hard,
or go home,
or go home.
go hard,
Hey,
go hard, or go home.
hey,
Touchdown like an end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard,
go hard,
or go home,
or go home,
go hard,
go hard,
or go home.
or go home.
Or yeah, I go back to back, they go back to back. If I top the top, then I double back and I'm topping that. Yeah, I beat my own records. Yeah, I gotta get money fast. Same team, I don't set trick. Never thought it's electric. When and put the rigs on my toes. Me and bro, that's the give and go. Still 100 and zone. Keep them coming, I know. I don't flood my list, so I'm not dumb like that. I just wanna give my mama 100 racks. Go hard, or go home. 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 Touchdown like an end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, or go home. Go hard, or go home.
All right, peep game, y'all. So this is the dollar. This is the dollar index right here. We're on an hour chart, y'all. So if y'all see this, if y'all see the dollar dropping, then that means GU is going up. Bam. So you might be able to scalp a buy on GBPUSD. But it's the time of the day though. That's the only problem. It's the time of the day. You might be able to do it. But that's gonna be it, because I know it's gonna slow down, y'all. We not finna just keep getting paid all day. At some point, we gotta stop. At some point, we gotta stop. We're not gonna just keep killing the markets. It's just not gonna happen. You're gonna end up giving away 10 pips, 20 pips, whatever you made today, you're gonna give it back to the market. That's not what team take profits do. I didn't say team give profits. Team lose profits. It's team take profits. And team manage profits. And team keep profits. Stop playing. Stop playing. We the money team. So look, I'm not on here to just let me just turn the charts off. Look, I'm not on here to just help us keep making money all day. I'm on here, and my job is on here to help us protect the profits that we did make. So if you guys need discipline, you guys are lacking, then you need to listen to me. You need to we need to talk about that. All right. Shout out to Zion. W Zion in the chat. He took 20 pips on GJ today. And he said, I'm done for today. Yes. Zion, be done, bro. Be done. And look, I used to have to disable my my MT4. Like it was so bad for me that I had to delete the app off my phone when I got done trading. Like I had to do that for like 2 weeks until I got I was like, all right, Jay, bro, snap out of it, bro. Snap out of it, bro. Why are you so greedy? Why are you so anxious, bro? Like another trade is not going to make you rich. Zion, you just took 20 pips. If you try to go after 5 or 10 more pips, that's not going to make you, even if you make another 20 pips, that's not going to make you that much richer. It's not. What it is going to do is potentially make you lose everything and more for the day. We're trying to build our family legacy. We're not trying to sabotage it by overtrading. We're not trying to do that. Stop sabotaging your family because you think you about to make money. You think you about to grind. You think you about to grow this money. You think you about to just kill the markets. You think you about to suck all the pips out the market, but you really gonna sabotage your family. Your kids don't deserve your greediness in the market. Your wife or your husband don't deserve that. You being greedy. My wife told me, she said, it ain't in a rush to get to our goal. It ain't a rush to get to it. We gonna get to it when we get to it. Yo, woman tell you that? Your woman tell you that? All the pressure and all the weights that's on your shoulders. All the weights that's on your shoulders. You like, I gotta get these pills. I gotta pay these bills. I gotta keep the lights on. Hey kids, y'all taking too many showers. Y'all only taking 3 showers this week. Y'all running up the water bill. It's $175. And then your wife be like, we good. I'm gonna get a part-time job and help you. And the weights get lighter. Hey baby, it ain't in a rush to get to your goal. We gonna get there when we get there. And the weights get lighter. Now you start getting stronger because you're getting rest days. Your mind and your emotions getting rest days in between you because you constantly just lifting all of this weight on your shoulders. Every day you getting tired. You're not getting no rest. You're not getting no recovery. You're not getting no recovery. So you just get taxed and you just, 5 years you just looking tired. I'm looking younger. And I'm getting older. They think my son is my brother. And I'm getting older and they think he my brother. Is it because you getting older? You get But look. I could be getting older right with him, but I'm getting younger. So all the weight just start falling off your shoulders. And now you can operate in greatness because all of that added tension, that pressure, that weight is removed up off you. Hey, like this video. Like this video if you haven't already. Double tap the screen. Double tap. Do one of these on the screen. Do one of them. Double tap the screen. Give me some likes. Subscribe if you haven't already. We getting to that money. Hey, share this video. This look, if people don't trade, be like, hey, yo, I know y'all don't trade, but he got a real good message in here. Y'all need to watch this video. If you thinking about trading, y'all need to lock in with Jay Wayne. If 2 of y'all in this whole chat can just share my video, I would appreciate it. All right. Let's look at GBPJPY. So that's what's happening. So here's the thing. It might not move. It might not move right now like you want it to, but what I want you to do is lock this in right here. Now, how did I get this golden zone? I got this golden zone from, let me see, where did I get this golden zone from? Hey, yo, where did I get this golden zone from? I can't remember where I got this golden zone from. I know, but I don't remember where I got it from. Like, how did I can't remember how I pulled this golden zone up. Hey, shout out to Andrea for sharing it already. Nate, shout out to Nate. I appreciate y'all, man. And look, when y'all help me out, I'm going to go hard for y'all. I'm going to go hard for y'all. I'm going to go M for M. I'm going to go M for M's.
Who sung that?
I don't know. This is me.
Central C?
I have no idea. Hey, I don't know how I got this golden zone, but mark it up right where it's at on y'all charts.
Try it up right there.
I forgot how I got this golden zone.
No,
No, it's only gonna make it go higher the higher I go.
So yeah, probably that one.
It probably was down here somewhere. Or you know what? Was this that fair value gap?
Yeah.
I think it was that fair value. Oh, there it is. So okay, so there's a fair value gap right there.
So you should change that box to red.
Yeah.
To show you, or a different shade of.
I'm gonna go FVG. So there's a fair value gap right here. All right, now listen, team. When I get off of this live, this is what I want y'all to do, because when I go live tomorrow, are y'all listening? When I go live tomorrow, I want y'all to tell me how y'all did. All right, because this is going to move. If it breaks this fair value gap and retest, you better take a buy. Well, I ain't gonna say that. Like, I ain't gonna. Hey, no. Edit that out. You ain't better take no buy. But just potentially look for a buy. Potentially look for a buy with the right lot size.
There you go.
Yeah. And trade at your own risk. All right. So what I'm trying to say is this: if it ends up breaking out, pulling back, take a little buy on there. I just want you to scalp it up to these wicks right here. To these wicks right here. Y'all see these wicks right there? Scalp it up to them wicks right there. All right, that's if it break and retest. It's potential. Do your own research when I'm gone, because I ain't gonna be here to hold your hand like I did today. I ain't gonna be here. So, but if you don't know what to do and you don't feel comfortable, don't take the trade. Don't take the trade. Just wait for me to come back. Or if you want to take my trade setups, then holla at me on the Discord. Post that. I should have shared it, but you post the Discord in the chat.
Hey, Trey, can y'all click that link?
Hey, did I Hey, chat, hold on. Hold on, chat. I think I forgot something.
Let me try to send it.
Yeah, I could click it. The people that's in yeah, it's clickable.
Computer?
Yeah, it's clickable on his iPad.
It's not on mobile like the shorts.
Yeah, I just pinned the Discord. Now somebody said all right, I think it was Regina. Shout out to Regina. But the broker, somebody said, "What's the broker that you use?" I just posted it in the in my YouTube. So if you're on Facebook, y'all need to go on my YouTube, because all my links is in my description of my YouTube videos. Shout out to Derek. He said subscribe is worth it. Absolutely. I know I can help you. Listen, team. All right, ain't nothing else moving on the chart, so we can just. I already told y'all what to look for. Listen, team. Go on my YouTube if you want all of the links. All right, this is my YouTube. Go on my YouTube channel, J Take Profits. Right there. I got 187,000 subscribers over there. If you're on Facebook, holla at me. This is where I be at. All right, J Take Profits. All my links is in the description below. It's for some reason I can't post them in Facebook on here. It only posts on YouTube. I don't know. That's weird. That's weird though.
Send it to the people on Facebook.
But how? How do I do that? How do I send it to people on Facebook? Because I only got one chat here, and it's got to be the chat for everything.
Let me, I'll do it.
Hey, you look. So GJ busting through that fair value gap.
For what? Always back up there?
Was it's trying to bust through. So I'm telling the people.
Go to 30 minutes?
I'm telling the people, if it break and retest that joint, then we're going to look for a break and retest and buy on the fair value gap zone.
Where's that 50?
The 50 is way up there. So we got room to scalp a buy. Now we can't probably hold it for a long time, but we got room to scalp it. But that's if it break and retest. All right. So y'all with me, y'all?
Hey, Nate from Facebook, can you click that link? I don't think that's like interactive.
Yeah, but I showed them my YouTube, so they can just, if they want to lock in with me, they go over to YouTube and click on the a video, and then click on my newest video and look in the description. It's all there. Hey y'all, I appreciate y'all. Don't forget, we don't chase money. I'm gonna say it again. We don't chase money. We position ourselves for it, and that's how we do it. And we're gonna do that each and every day, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. All right, I'm not on here on Friday. I don't trade Monday. I don't trade Friday. I am going live on Monday at 10 o'clock at night. I'm going live, but that's midnight. That's like midnight rants with Jay Take Profits with Jay Wayne. You feel me? That ain't. We could talk trading. We can talk everything. We could talk how the NBA is rigged. You know what I'm saying? We could talk workouts. We could talk anything. I can help you with your Forex. Anything, but that's more fun, and that's more me. We just kicking it. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we down to business. Hey, Monday, I don't know what you gonna get from me on Monday. Hey, I can't. Hey, look, when you join me on live on Monday, I cannot promise you a civilized live stream like it was today. Today was a little bit civilized. I took that trade juice and got. But on Monday, I cannot promise you a civilized live stream. We go crazy. All right, we go crazy. And Friday, I'm working on y'all see back there? That's my little studio back there. Don't mind that little ball. That's my kid's little bouncy ball. I got twins at 5 years old, so you might see toys laying around. I'm just a family man just like y'all. You feel me? I ain't nothing special. But I got my studio back there. So on Fridays, I'm gonna be recording music. So if y'all want to go live and we can record Forex songs together. I got new songs, by the way. Don't I? Bro, I got new songs, by the way. I got like 12 songs. 12. I got 12 Forex songs that's gonna be released in next year. Not all together, but just one by one. So be looking out for that. Hey, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Let's make this money, baby. Peace. I'll see ya when I see ya. See y'all tomorrow.